How to block on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can block on Snapchat. Now blocking on Snapchat is quite easy, so let me guide you through. Simply open up Snapchat app and you'll get an interface like this. Now what you want to do is tap on the chat icon or swipe your fingers from left to right. Now you can see chat icon at the bottom of the screen, simply tap on it. Now here what you want to do is search in for the chat that you want to block, or searching for the user that you want to block. And what you want to do is from the chat list here, you can tap and hold on the person username or profile and you'll get these various options. As you can see, simply tap on manage friendship and here you'll find the option block. Simply tap on block and it'll ask you for confirmation, and once you tap on block, they'll be blocked. The other way is simply tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen and here head into my friends option, and here finding for the friend, searching for the friend that you want to block, and tap and hold again, and then here tap on manage friendship and block from here. So this way you can block on Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.